there's no significant change in the tax slabs for the individual, so that's quite a disappointment for an individual. There has been slight extension of the limit of 80GG section where the exemption was up to 24,000 rupees per annum. That's been increased to 60,000, so that's been changed after close to 20 years, so that's quite a relief for individuals who do not get HRA from their employers, so that's a relief for the individual as such. A small change with respect to relief under section 87A, that has gone up from 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. Luckily for individuals, there is no increase in service tax, which was really expected in this budget to go from 14.5 to 16% in lieu of movement towards GST. So that's not increased. So luckily, most of the goods stay as it is. The rates of the goods will not change. So there was, the government is actually trying to tax the rich more. So the surcharge last year had risen from 10% to 12% for individuals having income more than 1 crore rupees. This also was in line with the abolishment of wealth tax. So wealth tax was abolished and this surcharge came. This year the government has increased the surcharge from 12% to 15% to tax the rich more. Another surprise was taxing dividend distribution tax at the rate of 10% on the hand of the recipient. So DDT generally is paid by the company and the individual, it's tax free. However, now an individual will be subject to 10% tax on dividend over 10 lakh rupees. So not many items have become cheaper. Service tax remains the same at 14.5% against expectation, which was close to 16% in line with GST. In terms of what becomes expensive are few things. One is the government wants to tax the luxury items, so there is a specific cess which will be levied on this. Luxury cars go up, so there will be a tax on cars above 10 lakh rupees. There is a specific cess which has been included in fuel, so diesel cars will end up paying the highest cess on the same. Also, airline turbine fuel, the excise duty of the same has changed from 8% to 14%, so there could be a possibility of increase in airline tickets for individuals.